Today we will learning about action verb and sentence. Before start the video, please subscribe us the channel. Let's begin the topics. Run. He likes to run in the morning. Climb. The cat can climb up the tree easily. Jump. The kids love to jump on the trampoline. Swim. We often swim at the beach in summer. Walk. I walk to school every day. Skip. Let's skip rope in the playground. Dance. She danced gracefully at the party. Sprint. He sprinted to catch the bus. Jog. I jog around the park for exercise. Hike. We plan to hike in the mountains. Slide. Kids enjoy sliding down the slide. Skateboard. He learned to skateboard last summer. Surf. We surf the waves at the beach. Fly. Birds can fly in the sky. Dive. She can dive into the pool perfectly. Flip. The gymnast performed a perfect flip. Twist. She can twist her body into various poses. Turn. Please turn the page of the book. Spin. The dancer can spin gracefully. Roll. The ball started to roll down the hill. Tumble. The gymnast tumbled across the mat. Crawl. Babies learn to crawl before walking. Hop. Let's see how far you can hop. Gallop. The horse galloped across the field. Trot. The pony trotted around the paddock. March. The soldiers marched in formation. Stomp. He likes to stomp his feet when he's happy. Lift. Can you lift that heavy box? Carry. She carried the groceries home. Drag. Drag the file into the folder. Pull. Can you help me pull the door open? Push. Push the door to enter the room. Throw. He can throw the ball really far. Catch. She caught the flying frisbee. Kick. He kicked the soccer ball into the net. Punch. Be careful not to punch too hard. Strike. The boxer struck his opponent with force. Hit! Don't hit your brother. It's not nice. Tackle. The football player tackled his opponent. Block. The goalie blocked the shot on goal. Dodge. Quick, dodge the incoming ball. Swing. Children love to swing in the park. Lift. Can you lift me up? Push-up. He did 20 push-ups during his workout. Pull-up. She can do several pull-ups in a row. Stretch. Stretch your arms before exercising. Bend. Bend your knees while lifting. Twist. Twist the lid to open the jar. Turn. Turn the key to start the car. Shake. Shake the bottle before using it. Wiggle. The puppy wiggled its tail happily. Jiggle. Jiggle the handle to open the door. Squat. Do a squat to work on your leg muscles. Balance. Try to balance on one foot. Jump rope. Let's jump rope together in the yard. Cartwheel. She can do a perfect cartwheel. Handstand. He practiced holding a handstand. Clap. Clap your hands to the beat of the music. Snap. Snap your fingers to the rhythm. Point. Point to the correct answer on the board. Blink. Don't forget to blink your eyes regularly. Wink. She winked at her friend from across the room. Nod. He nodded in agreement. Shake hands. It's polite to shake hands when you meet someone. Hug. Give your grandma a big hug. Kiss. She planted a gentle kiss on his cheek. Smile. Always remember to smile. Laugh. The joke made everyone laugh. Cry. It's okay to cry when you're sad. Scream. The kids screamed with excitement. Whisper. Let's whisper so no one hears us. Shout. Shout if you need help. Sing. We can sing along to our favorite song. Play kids love to play with toys. Explore. Let's go explore the forest. Discover. Scientists often discover new things. Create. Artists create beautiful paintings. Build. We can build a sandcastle at the beach. Construct. Builders construct houses. Design a unique logo for the company. Paint. She painted a beautiful landscape. Write. Authors write novels and stories. Type your essay on the computer. Draw. Kids love to draw with crayons. Sketch. She sketched a quick portrait. Sculpt. The artist sculpted a masterpiece. Mold. Use clay to mold different shapes. Assemble the puzzle pieces correctly. Arrange the flowers in a vase. Organize. Let's organize the books on the shelf. Sort. Sort the colored beads by size. Plan your schedule for the week. Solve. Try to solve the math problem. Invent a new game to play. Innovate new ways of doing things. Work hard to achieve your goals.